So this is how you can make this kind of video by entering a stick. It's very simple. So let me show you how to do that. But don't forget to like and give me a follow.
So to do this, you open CapCut, then click on New Project, and this will send you to where your video is. Now you select your video, then click on Add. Now this is how you're going to record your video. You walk on your knee on the ground while trying to bypass, but before then you need to place a straight stick there. So whilst walking on your knee, you bypass the back of the stick that you place this way. Yes, that's how it's supposed to be. Now let's start the editing. This is how your video is supposed to be recorded. Now, after getting to the end part of the video, you don't stop there. Don't stop the video there, but you need to make sure you record an empty background this way. You come to this option, then you look for freeze, and you click on it. And I realize that it has been in a picture form, and this is the freezing part. So you come to this side, then you delete this part, because we are not going to use it. Now you delete it. Now after that, with the freezing part being highlighted, you look for overlay, then you click on it. Now you realize that the freezing part has stepped down under the first clip. So what you're going to do is you hold it, then you drag it to the beginning of the first clip, this way, and that is it. So you still click on it. So you still click on the down one to highlight it. After that, then you make sure the down one and the top one have the same length. So you drag the down one to the end of the first clip, this way. Now with the down one still highlighted, you look for max, then you click on it, and here you select horizontal. Now here, make sure you rotate the yellow line about 90 degrees, depending on how straight your stick is. You need to make sure your yellow line there align with the stick exactly. Then after you're okay with it, you click on this mark, and this is how the video is going to look like. That is it. So the next thing is to go to either TikTok so that you download your preferred sound to make it more engaging. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more tutorials like this. See you in my next video.